Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do this little cute cookie together, so let's start it. First, we need to do a magic ring like this, and then we put our hook into the ring, yarn over here, yarn over to one chain. For the first round, the pattern is 12 double crochet. Very first double crochet is a bit different. In here, we put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then we put our hook into the left part of that stitch here. Yarn over here, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. This stitch counts our very first double crochet. We just put a mark, and then we need to do 11 more normal double crochet. We yarn over, put our hook into the ring, yarn over here, yarn over, go through first 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. This is a normal double crochet. We just repeat doing the normal double crochet. After the 12 double crochet, we put this little end to close the ring in the center. For our second round, we do 1 chain to start. We flip it and put our hook into the very first stitch. Yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops. For this round, the pattern is 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase, and we're gonna skip the very last stitch, which is a marked stitch. Our second stitch is a single crochet increase. In this stitch, we need to crochet 2 single crochet. We put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is a single crochet, and we need to repeat it 1 more time in the same stitch. We just repeat 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will update weekly. Right now I have 2 stitches left. In our next stitch, we crochet a single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then we do 1 chain, we snip off. We can take out the mark here. We just weave in. We need to do 3 of them. If you want to do a regular full cookie for our first round, after the 12 double crochet, we take off our very first mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. We do 1 chain to start our second round. For the second round, the pattern is the same, a single crochet and a single crochet increase. We put our hook into the very first stitch, yarn over here, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is our very first stitch, just remember to put a mark. For our second stitch is a single crochet increase. We need to crochet 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and then we just repeat doing 1 single crochet and 1 single crochet increase to the end. For the full cookie, we don't need to skip the very last stitch, we're just repeating the pattern. After our very last single crochet increase, we leave about this long, and then we snip off. We take out our mark and put our hook from the back into the mark place. Grab the yarn here, and then put our hook into the center of our very last stitch, also from the back, and grab this little yarn here. In this way, we made a fixed stitch, this one, so it can be more organized. We need to make 3 of them and use a hot glue to glue them together. Same for those 3. That will be our cookie. That's it all about today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next time. Bye.